In this video, we are going to explore triplets, one of the most important and musical rhythm groupings you'll ever play. Triplets divide a beat into three equal parts, giving the music a smoother, more flowing feel. They show up everywhere, from jazz and blues to classical and rock. Just like in a previous lesson, we'll vocalize the rhythms first, speaking and feeling them before playing, so your voice, hands, and timing all stay connected. All the symbols we learned in the 8th note grid lesson will also be used in this one as well, but on the triplet grid. Vocalizing the rhythms is essential for internalizing the feel. Rhythm is the foundation. Even if you miss a pitch, if your rhythm is correct, the music is still recognizable. If the rhythm is off, the music will never sound right. We shall use 3 syllables only. Ta is the attack of a note. A is the duration, used if the note is longer than an 8th note. Stands for rests. We shall sing the rests too. Feeling them is not good enough. In a straight swing feel, we usually play the first and the third partials. The second triplet partial is usually not played. That skipped note is what gives swing its bounce. When we play 2 consecutive 8th notes with a swing feel, we don't play them evenly. Instead, we stress the first note a little longer and make the second note a little shorter, as if we were playing the first and third parts of a triplet. A quarter note and an 8th note that are part of a triplet are sung ta-ta. The quarter note lasts for the first 2 parts of the triplet, and the 8th note takes the third part. Ta-ta, 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 ta-ta. Phonetically, we can sing an offbeat 8th note as ta. It's as if the 8th note rests before the note lasts for the first and second triplet partials, and the 8th note itself falls on the third triplet partial. That is a way we interpret and vocalize thirds and Western notation as triplets. A quarter note is sung ta. 2 connected swing 8th notes are sung ta-ta. An 8th note rest is sung so an offbeat 8th note is sung ta. Ta, 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 ta. A 3/2 triplet occurs when 3/4 notes are evenly spaced over 2 beats. Tying 2 triplets together helps us visualize and feel the subdivision across half a measure. This is called a quarter note triplet, which is sung ta 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 ta. A half note triplet or 3/4 triplet happens when 3 half notes are spread evenly across 4 beats. They fit perfectly within 1 full measure. Tying 4 triplets together helps visualize and feel these even subdivisions across the bar. This is sung ta 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 ta. How to interpret more rhythmic possibilities, notes and rests combinations within the triplet grid. Ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. When the notation includes all triplet partials, each part of the triplet is clearly marked, so you can see exactly how the notes and rest line up within the beat.
Ta 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 ta.
Master all that, and suddenly, complex music starts to feel natural. The possibilities are truly endless. To bring these concepts into a musical context, I'll play a short piece of my own that applies the rhythmic ideas from this video. The notation is shown below. If this lesson helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more music tutorials, and let me know in the comments what rhythmic topic you'd like to learn next. Keep practicing and most importantly, have fun.